Welcome to Suburban Camping. This channel is where you can learn how to camp just about anywhere and be prepared for anything. This channel features videos to guide you through the process of acquiring, maintaining, and outfitting a Chevy Suburban as a camper for your outdoor adventures. Keep in mind, most of these videos apply to camping in any vehicle, so even if you do not own or plan to own a Suburban, there's plenty of great information. There are also videos to help you maximize your outdoor adventures no matter how you camp. The topics include safety, security, organization, gear, remote power, along with locating and navigating to great campsites. Also, my videos on how to acquire a Suburban feature a detailed inspection and test drive, which you can use to help you buy any used car. And finally, you will also find videos on testing the limits of camping anywhere and being prepared for anything. In these videos, I will walk through the process of preparing for and exploring remote areas to find great places to camp. And I will share some, but not all, of my best spots. So, let's go! Please join me for this outdoor adventure and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.